So I had taken the saw apart and I figured there was a loose wire someplace, and when I found this one disconnected, I put it back together and thought I had it fixed, and it did start right up. But then a week later when I went to use it, it would not start. And I checked and I was not getting any spark again on the spark plug. So I thought, well, I got to take it apart more. There must be the wires touching someplace else. And I just do not see any place where it's touching any place or broken or bare any place else. So I moved the wires around and was just kind of looking at everything, and then I tested the spark again, and then it was sparking good. So I watched a video, and they said sometimes it'll work, and then when it heats up, it'll quit working. And if there is a loose wire there, maybe there's, maybe in here it's not good anymore, and when I move it just right, it's working, and then if it moves again, it's not working. So I've been thinking about it, and I think the only thing I think what I need to do is get a new coil here. If the coil is going bad, that would solve that. If there is a break in this wire here, spark plug wire, that comes with it. If there is a bare spot on the kill wire someplace and I don't see it, that'll be new too. So I think that's my best option at this point. So it is a 048 AV electric. It's a Stihl. So I need to order a coil for that. I notice the prices vary a lot, but I don't want to spend a lot because I want to spend the least as I can. It is an old saw, but it's still good, so well, at least I feel it is. And I'm pretty sure the spark is my issue. It sounds like it wants to start, but it just doesn't. And there was some good video. There was a real good video about the no spark, how to troubleshoot it. So that really was a good video on YouTube. Okay, let's order it in. And I tried to clean this too. I tried to get off as much of the oily sawdust as I could. So it looks a little bit better. I wish I could clean it really good, but maybe I will. We'll see. Okay. Get it ordered. And hopefully that'll do it.